Hello everyone and welcome to this video lesson. I am Dr.R.Malinidevi, Associate Professor of Mathematics, PG and Research Department of Mathematics at the Standard Fireworks Rajaratnam College for Women, Sivagasi. With several years of experience in teaching mathematics, my aim has always been to have complex concepts clear, simple and meaningful, especially for the learners who are just beginning with their statistical journey. In this section, I will guiding you through an essential topic in statistics, measure of central tendency. Now, you might be wondering what exactly does central tendency means. Well, whether you are analyzing students' performance, customer feedback or even salary structures, you will often want to find a single number that can represent an entire set of values. That's where the central tendency comes into play. The three key measures we will explore today are mean, median, mode. These are not just mathematical tools, they are decision making aids used in education, economics, business, healthcare and many other fields. Throughout this lesson, we will not only define each of these measures, but also to understand the purpose of using central tendency in data analysis, to calculate mean, median and mode for the given data sets, to apply central tendency measure to solve real life statistical problems, but also learn their formulas and step-by-step calculations, understands when and why to use each one, and at a real life examples and applications that bring a meaning to that numbers. By the end of this video lesson, you will be able to choose the most appropriate measures of central tendency depending on the data and its context. So, stay focused, take notes and let's explore how these basic tools help us summarize data effectively and make informed decisions. Let us begin our journey into the world of statistics, starting with the concept of the mean. First, we will see that measure of central tendency. Central tendency refers to a statistical measure that describes the center point or typical value of data set, serving as the foundation for summarizing the data distribution. Central tendency including three values, mean, median and mode, provide essential insights into data characteristics, enabling clearly interpretations and informed decision making in various fields. Here, measure of central tendency is divided into mean, median and mode. First, see the type of means. There are different types of mean used in statistics depend upon the situations. First, we see that arithmetic mean. This is a common one, the most common type, found by adding all the numbers and dividing by how many there are. Next, we see that the weighted mean by using weighted calculation, used when some numbers are more important, is given here weights. Each number is multiplied by its weights before calculating that average. Next one is geometric mean, used for multiplying a numbers or rate. This is used for growth rates, found by multiplying all the numbers and taking the nth root where n is the number of given values. Next on harmonic mean, used when dealing with the rates like that of speed, calculate as a reciprocal of the average of reciprocals. First, we see that arithmetic mean by only given for ungrouped data. So, ungrouped data we using this formula. The most mean is a balanced point, but only data is balanced. This quote was given by math educator inside. The mean is the average set of numbers calculated by adding all the values together and dividing by the total number of values. Just the formula is mean value is denoted as x bar, that is summation of x divided by n. Summation is nothing but the total values, calculated values. So, see one example. Here the given data is 4, 6, 8. Here n value is 3, here the value is 3 values are given, therefore taken as n equal to 3. Formula is summation of x. Summation of x means sum of this total values. Here the sum of the value is 4 plus 6 plus 8, here divided by 3. So, we get the value is 6. This formula is only used for ungrouped data, not grouped values. This is only used for group data. Here the mean value is summation of, another name is arithmetic mean, summation of xi divided by n. Next we see that the arithmetic mean for grouped data. Grouped data means if the variates x1, x2, etc., xn have a frequencies f1, f2, f3, etc., fn respectively. Here the mean is given by product of the variates and also a frequency and then take the sums. Therefore, f1 into x1 plus f1 into x2 plus f3 into x3 plus etc. fn into xn divided by sum of the frequency. The formula is defined as summation of fi into xi divided by summation of fi. Now, see that example. Calculate the arithmetic mean for the following frequency table. Here the weighted, this is also a grouped data, weighted in kilograms. Here 50, 48, 46, 44, 42 and 40. This is a weight for each person. 12. Number of persons is 12, 14, 16, 13, 11 and 9. To find out that this is a grouped data, a set of weights and given that set of number of persons and also weights. By using the formula, here given data values in weights and number of person. Now, formula is summation of fi into xi, just multiply the value for xi and also fi. So, multiplying each value 50 into 12. So, similarly 48 into 14, 46 into 16, 44 into 30 we get 572, 42 into 11 462, 40 into 9 360. Here the total number of person is 75. The total number for summation of fi xi the value is 3402. Here the formula mean equal to summation of fi xi. Summation of fi xi value is 3402 divided by summation of fi, that is total number of persons. Here the total number of person is 75. Therefore, we get 45.36. Next we see that geometric mean. Geometric mean of a set of positive number is the nth root. N means number of values given here is the nth root of the product of the numbers, where n is the total number of values. Here the formula is for any positive number given data numbers are x1, x2, etc., xn. The geometric mean is given by nth root of x1, x2, etc., xn. Now, see that example, find the geometric mean of the numbers 3, 6 and 2, 4. Here how many values are given is 3 values. So, we taken that cube root of the value. The geometric mean is here n equal to 3, therefore, cube root of product of the values, product of the given numbers. Here the product of the given number is 3 into 6 into 24, therefore, cube root of 3 product of 3, 6, 2, 4 is 432. Taking cube root, we get the approximate solution for 4.56. This is also a geometric mean, product of a numbers. Here given n value means nth root. Here the total value is 3, so taking is cube root. If suppose we given that 5 values, taking the 5th root and is product. This is a geometric mean. Next one is harmonic mean. Harmonic mean of a set of positive number is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is nothing but summation of xi divided by n. What is the reciprocal of an arithmetic mean means x1 plus x2 plus etc. xn divided by n. So, the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean means 1 divided by x1 plus 1 divided by x2 plus etc. plus 1 divided by xn of their reciprocals. Therefore, n divided by 1 divided by x1 plus 1 divided by x2 plus etc. plus 1 divided by xn. Now, see that example for the harmonic mean. For given value is 2, 4 and 5. Here the taken the value n means 3 values, therefore n equal to 3. For the first value is represented as x1 equal to 2, x2 equal to 4 and x3 equal to 5. So, here substitute the values in this formula, n equal to 3, therefore 3 divided by 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 5. To find that the value is 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.2, that is equal to 0.95, 3 divided by 0.95. Here the approximate solution is 3.16. Next we see that next one is median. Median is nothing but the middle value of a given set of numbers. Median is the middle value of a set of numbers when arranged in order. Suppose we given that different given a set of values, first we arrange either in increasing order or decreasing order. Here the formula for median is depend upon the n value. Suppose we given that n is odd, we use that value as value at a position n plus 1 divided by 2. If n is even, value at a position n by 2 plus value at a position n by 2 plus 1 if n is even. You see the first one is example for this median. Find the median of 379. Here the value of n equal to 3, n means odd, n value is odd, n equal to 3, n is odd. First you have to arrange in the order, 3 is already given in same order, 3, 7, 9. Our formula is n is odd mean n plus 1 divided by 2. Here n odd value is 3, therefore 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. What is the value for second place? Here is 7. So, the median is 7. N means value at a position of this value. So, n plus 1 means here n equal to 3, 3 plus 1 we get 4, 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. The second position is 7, therefore 7 is the median. This is an example for n is odd. Next we see another example for n is even. Find the median for the value is 4, 6, 8, 10. Here the value n equal to 4. First value is n divided by 2, therefore 4 divided by 2 is second value. Here the second value is 6 plus the value at a position n by 2 plus 1 means 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 or value is 3, therefore the third value is 8. So, adding this value of 6 plus 8 divided by 2, therefore 14, we get that 7. This is a median for 7. Median is nothing but a middle value. Middle value, if n is odd, we use that formula for median is value at a position n plus 1 divided by 2. If suppose if n is even, the formula will be changes value at a position n by 2 plus value at the position n by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. This is a median. Next we see that mode. Mode is a value that occurs most frequently in the data. Frequently in this data. See that one example, find the mode of the following data is 3, 5, 1, 2, 4, 6, 0, 2, 2, 3. Here see that the number 3 occurs twice, the number 5 occurs once, the number 1 is also occurs once and 2 is occurs in 3 times, more number of times. 4 is also occurs once, 6 is occurs once and 0 is also occur once. The mode is nothing but the value that occurs most frequently in this data. In this example, 2 is repeated more number of times than any other number. Therefore, here the mode value is 2. Now, see some more applications of mean, median and mode. Measure of central tendency, mean, median and mode are used to represent and interpreted data efficiently in real life scenarios. Mean gives the average and is widely used in academic, finance, sports and weather analysis. Median shows the mid value useful in income, housing and skews data where outer effects of the mean. Mode identified most frequent value helpful in business, marketing, fashion and product analysis. We explore three key measures of central tendency: mean, median and mode. Each of these help us summarize large set of data into single minimum meaningful value. The mean gives the average useful for balanced data. Median shows a mid value ideal when data has outer line. The mode highlight the most frequent value, especially used for categorical or trend analysis. These tools are not just theoretical, they reapplied in education, finance, business and research to support better decision. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how to use them effectively. Thank you for watching and keep exploring the world of statistics with curiosity and confidence. Thank you.